this man, Hayden Johansson, back with you. And I know I started collecting Dorbs, Pops, action figures, comic books, anything you would ever want. So I'm going to show you them all out of the box, and I'm going to put them back in. So let's get to the first set. There's a couple of sets I'm going to show you that I didn't finish. So I'm going to show you the Dr.Suess set first. So let's start off with Sam's friend. Okay, let's look at the side. There we go. There's the back. There's his name. There's him in the box. Now, what you notice, if you look in, there's like all the Dr. Seuss characters. I open it from the bottom. I like to keep mine in the boxes, but I just wanted to show YouTube. Okay. So here is Sam's friend. I like his hat. He's kind of like a hard figure. He's not like a bobblehead, I guess you could say. I like his black eyes. I like his grin. Very nice figure. Let's move on to the next. I may not show you the whole set, but I'll show you like a couple. Maybe I'll show you the whole thing. Yeah, I'll show you. It's just a good video. Okay, there you go. Got Sam's friend. Okay, let's move on. Well, to the main character of literally all Dr. Seuss. It's a man, cat in the hat. Here's the side, the back, cat in the hat. There he is. Okay, well, clothes, got all that. Literally everything the same as Sam's friend, just cat in a hat is on the side. Okay, let's get him out of the box. Okay, sorry about that. Just thought that was my dad coming in. So here. Oh, I like the hat a lot. I like how he's really happy. A little bad stuff right there. But I know they make flocked versions of these. I want to pick up the exclusive cake with him holding the cake and an exclusive of him holding the fish that just looks sick. Now here he is. Okay, did I put them in right? Okay. If I was you, I'd keep your pops in the dang box. Like, in the freaking box. Like, it looks best in the box. I mean, would you rather want your figure to be damaged? I mean, I know some people have pets, which I have pets, but I don't want mine to be ruined because I would rather want my box to be ruined than the figure. So, yeah, let me try and put this thing in. I'll talk to you about the set. Now, what I think they should have did in the set is, okay, I get the exclusive part. I get that. But, like, come on, guys. I can't believe that there's so much characters that they need to add in this set. Like, Dr. Seuss set may be my favorite set for right now. Just right now. So, like, they should have added the Lorax, the 1 Thing 2. Thing 1 and Thing 2 should have been like a 2-pack. So, 2-packer. Wake up and now Jamie. Thump on the page, thump on the page, oh. Wake up and now Jamie. golly, this one's hard. This is what I hate. Having to take them out of the dang box. There. I'll just have to close the... Wow. So, I love the Horton figure. I actually have it. And I have this whole set. This one's my favorite I have right now. But I think I'll be one of the best sets in the lot and all the pops. I just wish they would have added like more figures like Lorax, maybe the Onceler. Thing 2 would have been in a 2-pack. I mean, there's so much figures that they need to come out with literally with the like a wave 2. So a wave 2 would be just a dream to have a wave 2 of Dr. Seuss. And if Funko does ever watch videos on what people should think about the Dr. Seuss set, he should be listening to this one right now. So, like, I mean, why wouldn't, like, I mean, there's a lot of characters. I'm not saying he should make a lot of characters, but I'm just saying since the guy Cat in the Hat, you have that thing on the thing too. Let's move on to actually, this took a long time to get. It's your man Fox and Socks. He looks great. Okay, I'm gonna open him from the top. I like how they have this head poking out. Okay, slide him out. I know they made a flocked of him, right? Yeah, they made a flocked version. I don't get the point of that. I don't even care for that. Okay. Here is a Fox and Socks. What I love about him is I love his grin, how he's happy. I love the red on him and the blue. The blue is the best part about it. There's the side. There's a back. Here's the front. He's one of my favorite characters from Dr. Seuss books. It's always been a good book. Really nice book. I've always liked Dr. Seuss. And who doesn't? He's literally one of my favorite authors of picture books, like Black Lagoon. They should come out with. Do you know the books of Black Lagoon? Black Lagoon is a good book. Maybe I'll show you. I'll look that up and see if those are pops. There's Fox and Socks. Okay. To Sam I Am. Let's look at him. Side. Sam I Am. Dude, if you're wondering where I got Fox and Socks and Sam I Am, if you do not know where they are, these are the stores I'd go to. Okay. Limit or replace mall. Go to FYE. Go to the pop section. Hot Topic. Maybe Barnes & Noble. Definitely get Toys R Us because I got this one at Toys R Us and Fox and Socks at Toys R Us. And they're all in perfect conditioning. What else was it? Steel Collectibles, which is in Kennesaw. Go there. These are where I buy all my comics. These are not the only kind I have. I have like big ones too. But I go to Steel. It's a good place because my dad used to hate. My dad hates pops, and I guess he bought 2 6-inch, which I'll show you. Even though this is a small character, what I love about it is just look at the art on the plate. That's just good. Hey, here's the figure. I like the red hat. There's a scuffed part. A little bit scuffed. There he is. Side, back. Here he is. I love Green Eggs and Ham movie. I mean, not movie. They should actually make a movie on Green Eggs and Ham. Well, like every single character. He looked good, non-animated. I want to see like every single paw of Dr. Seuss besides Cat in the Hat. Besides Cat in the Hat, non-animated. Because we all know Cat in the Hat has already been non-animated. I'd like to see definitely Sam I Am is non-animated. He's a cool guy. Cool. Very cool guy. Can't see if he's in right there. There's Sam I Am. I'm just going to show you the Dr. Seuss set today. Now, for a very figure that took so long to get, which is my dang favorite figure out of the Dr. Seuss, is your man Horton. I got this at Steel Collectibles. It's the last one. Dude, this thing is huge. Let's open this thing. I've never took this thing out. Holy crap. Dang, dude. What the freak? Holy crap, this thing is giant. What the freak? Oh my god, this thing is heavy as crap. Oh wow. This is just awesome. There's a speck. I like that. There's a pluck of hair. Black eyes. He's a good one to display. Dang, man, this thing is huge. How is this thing 6 inches? This is like 4. Well, I guess I'm gonna go by the effect. But dude, in the box, it's way bigger in the box. That's a fact. This is my favorite figure out of this set. All out favorites. This took me so freaking long to get. So that's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, click, and subscribe, and go follow Steel Collectibles. Check out comic books, like this one I got there. Hold on. Like and subscribe. Don't forget, pick up the Dr. Seuss set. See ya. Peace out.